Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Module 8, Chapter 2, Part 2. And I know we looked at Chapter 2 already, so that's why this is a Part 2. But if you take a look at where we're at, of course you're going to have your legal research project due by tomorrow, and not many have submitted it yet, so I would assume you're doing final touch-ups. So from that perspective, it's due September the 1st. I can't believe it's already September, but that's when it's due. But I'm going to go ahead and open, as I normally do, Module 8, so you can take a look at that and get started a little early. You have two videos in Module 8. So you have Chapter 2 Video 1 and then Chapter 2 Video 2. So I ran out of time. I don't normally do that, but I wanted to give a broad overview of the chapter in detail, so be sure to take a look at that material. Of course, the laws and regulations you will encounter is what the chapter is all about, Chapter 2, and you have your Chapter 2 PowerPoint located here. I got some Module 8 notes, which is associated with the first lecture at the top, which is great additional information if you want to take a look at that, and then the Module 8 PowerPoint like I was talking about, and another smaller handout that we've used in prior courses. So you can take a look at that if that's interesting to you, but your Chapter 2 PowerPoint is the Cengage PowerPoint, which is your textbook. So take a look at that associated with the lecture. So that's what I'm going to use in the lecture. Another thing that I put in here that I thought was interesting, a Forbes article about improving hiring practice. So take a look at that as well when you get a chance. I thought it was pretty interesting. You have two things due this week. You have your Module 8 lecture question and your homework. Your lecture question is going to be about comparing and contrasting state practice acts regarding licensure, registration, and certification, and scope of practice. So we're going to talk about that a little bit. Take a look at the Module 8 lecture question. Make sure that's submitted by the 8th, September 8th end of day. Same thing with the Module 8 review questions. Those are due September 8th by end of day as well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We have a lot this week. It's one of the larger weeks in this class, a lot of videos, a lot of great topics, a lot of great information. So take a look at that when you get a chance. And again, I'm here to help. Reach out if you have any questions. Thanks so much.